So good morning, ma'am. I am Trish Arabella and Rivera, and today I will be performing the phototherapy procedure. So first, we have to verify the physician's order. Then after that, we are going to identify the patient. So, ma'am, may I know ano yung name ng baby niya? Arabella po. Thank you. Then we are going to perform hand hygiene.
Make a complete physiological assessment of infant, including weight, level of jaundice, and hydration status. Connect the power cord to the light source box and plug into a grounded electrical outlet. Put on an eye cover on the infant. Then place the infant on the phototherapy machine. Do not interrupt phototherapy treatment except during normal bathing or diaper changes. Reposition pad and inspect skin underneath pad for any unusual changes every 2 hours. Monitor infant's temperature every 4 to 8 hours while on phototherapy. Signs and symptoms of skin infection, skin care, use of daily log sheet, lab tests required to monitor progress of therapy. Instruct parents to refrain from using lotions or oils on the skin during phototherapy treatment. Additional instruction for parents include breastfeeding techniques, newborn care, and intake and output. Total serum bilirubin levels should be drawn and evaluated daily unless otherwise ordered by physician. Refer to heel stick procedure. Then, document the assessment, date, and time of phototherapy started and all teaching provided.